Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which organization announced the launch of India's first SEBI approved exchange traded weather derivatives contract named Rain Mumbai in May 2026? Right answer is option C, National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange. In May 2026, which Indian scientist and their team discovered Loktak protocluster, an ancient city of galaxies in the early universe? Right answer is option D, Dr. Ronaldo Laishram. In May 2026, India signed a bilateral accession protocol in Geneva to support the entry of which African country into the World Trade Organization? Correct answer is option D, Ethiopia. In which city has India's first private medical museum, the Museum of Medical Archives, been established in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Tiruvananthapuram. In May 2026, which institution developed the world's first artificial intelligence based gene editor, Plant Open CRISPR-1 for crops? Right answer is option D, ICAR, National Rice Research Institute, Cuttack. Which country introduced the historic resolution at the 79th World Health Assembly in May 2026 that recognized stroke as a public health priority for the first time? Correct answer is option B, Egypt. In May 2026, which stock market surpassed the Indian stock market to become the world's fifth largest stock market based on market capitalization? Correct answer is option C, Taiwan. Which defense company successfully completed the test of India's indigenous loitering munition named Vayu Astra 1 in May 2026? Right answer is option A, NIB Limited. Which state became India's first fully literate state under the Ullas initiative in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. In which Indian states Hoolongapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary did a western Hoolog gibbon use an artificial canopy bridge to cross a railway track in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Assam. Where was the 11th Review Conference of the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty 2026 held in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, New York, USA. Which two Indian states have received approval from InSpace for establishing common technical facilities to promote private sector participation in space technology? Right answer is option D, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. In May 2026, India's first ever geothermal power project was approved to be established at which specific location? Right answer is option B, Puga Valley, Ladakh. Who has been appointed as India's chef de mission for the 2026 Commonwealth Games to be held in Glasgow? Correct answer is option D, Rohit Rajpal. How many distinguished personalities were conferred with the Padma Awards 2026 by President Draupadi Murmu during the first civil investiture ceremony held in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, 66. Which component of the Chandrayaan 3 mission successfully performed the HOP experiment on the lunar surface? Correct answer is option B, Vikram lander. Which countries jointly launched the $300 million renewable energy platform North Star to boost clean energy generation in India? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom and Denmark. Where will the first World Yogasana Championship 2026 be held from June 4th to 8th, 2026? Correct answer is option D, Ahmedabad. On May 25th, 2026, which Foundation Day celebration of the Small Industries Development Bank of India did Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman attend in Mumbai? Correct answer is option B, 37th. In May 2026, who was appointed by the Election Commission of India as the first woman chief electoral officer of West Bengal? Right answer is option D, Neelam Meena. Who set a new national record of 10.09 seconds in the men's 100-meter race at the Federation Cup Athletics competition? Right answer is option A, Gurinder Veer Singh. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Rajya Sabha Committee on Petitions? Correct answer is option D, Raghav Chadha. Which state or union territory launched the Vaman Van initiative to promote environmental awareness? Correct answer is option B, Delhi. Which Indian space mission has been honored with the prestigious Goddard Astronautics Award 2026 by the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics? Right answer is option B, Chandrayaan 3. Which Indian Army officer has been selected for the prestigious 2025 UN Military Gender Advocate of the Year award? Right answer is option B, Major Abhilasha Barak. In May 2026, which state launched India's first integrated portal for tracking not of standard quality medicines and monitoring the sale of NDPS drugs? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which space agency unveiled a $20 billion three-phase plan to build a permanent base camp on the moon? Correct answer is option D, NASA USA. Which union minister launched the Arunachal Kivi, the USP of Arunachal Pradesh mission in May 2026 with a financial allocation of rupees 167 crore? Correct answer is option B, Jyotiraditya Scindia. Which state government launched the Adarsh Shahar Samriddhi Yojana with a budget of rupees 200 crore to strengthen the infrastructure of its towns and small cities? Correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Who became the new director of the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Dr. Piyush Singla. In May 2026, which state became the 15th state in India to be awarded the President's Police Colours? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. To which country were the sacred relics of Lord Buddha and his chief disciples Sariputra and Moggallana sent from the Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh in May 2026? Right answer is option C, Mongolia. During Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first visit to which country on May 16th to 17th, 2026, were the historic 11th century Anaimangalam Chola copper plates formally handed over to India? Correct answer is option A, Netherlands. Which institute's researchers developed a new protein imaging platform named CLEAR in May 2026? Right answer is option D, Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Which state became the third in the country and the first in Northeast India to pass the Uniform Civil Code Bill in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Assam. The main national event for the 12th International Day of Yoga is being organized in Kolkata on June 21st, 2026. What is its official theme? Correct answer is option A, Yoga for Healthy Aging. Where did President Draupadi Murmu inaugurate the Ama Didi Bahini bus seva dedicated exclusively to women in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Gangtok, Sikkim. Which country's security forces were blacklisted by the United Nations for the first time in its annual report on conflict related sexual violence? Correct answer is option C, Israel and Russia. Which Indian Railways institution inaugurated the Chirag Center of Excellence to strengthen human resource management training and digital governance? Correct answer is option D, Hyderabad. The Union Cabinet approved the Sarthak PDS scheme to modernize India's public distribution system. What is the total outlay of the scheme? Right answer is option C, rupees 25,530 crore. In May 2026, which martyred Indian peacemakers were honored by the United Nations with the prestigious Dag Hammarskjöld Medal? Correct answer is option D, Lance Havaldar Harbhajan Singh and Naib Subedar Sujit Kumar Pradhan. P.T. Usha, president of the Indian Olympic Association, released the book India's Olympic Gold Triumph at Amsterdam. Who is its author? Right answer is option A, K. Arumugam. In May 2026, in which state did Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia launch the Rs 236 crore Mission Queen Pineapple project? Correct answer is option B, Tripura. The rare Muga silk stole and Shirui lily silk stole gifted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni in May 2026 belong to which parts of India? Right answer is option C, Assam and Manipur. Five-time Olympian and veteran sports administrator Raja Randhir Singh passed away in May 2026. Which statement regarding him is correct? Right answer is option D. He was the first Indian shooter to win a gold medal at the Asian Games. In May 2026, a grand statue of the great 1857 revolutionary and freedom fighter Veera Pasi was unveiled in Lodhwari village of which state? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. At the Global Water Summit 2026 held in Madrid, Spain, which Indian water utility was ranked among the world's top 5 water utilities in the Utility of the Year category? Right answer is option D, Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board. The 24th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Varuna 2026 was conducted in May 2026 between India and which country? Right answer is option A, France. Which young Indian batsman broke Chris Gale's 14-year-old record for hitting the most sixes in a single IPL season? Right answer is option A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Which athlete set a new world record in May 2026 by throwing the javelin 74.82 meters in the F64 category at the Indian Open International Para Athletics Championships? Right answer is option B, Sumit Antil. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.